Hello everyone, this is a very quick tutorial on how to thin someone's face on Photoshop. This is just a stock image I've chosen at random just to give you an idea of how to do it. So go ahead and open up the image you want to edit. Now go to your layers tab on the right hand side and you want to duplicate that layer. It might be background or layer 1, doesn't matter. Once you've duplicated it, go to your new layer and click convert to smart object. And then you want to go to the filter, and then you want to go to Liquify. It'll open up a new panel. On the left, make sure you've got face tool checked. And as you can see, you get these rings around the face, and if you go in closer, you can then edit the face width, jawline, chin, etc., eyes. It's entirely up to you how you do it. So you can make our eyes bigger. Alternatively, on the right hand side you've got the properties. I prefer doing it this way. You can then go on to, say, the mouth, so smile, bring the smile up, upper lip, I'm going to shrink it slightly, same for the lower lip, and just have a play around with these settings. The most important ones would be face shape, so chin height, I bring it all the way in, jawline, same as, and then face width. Then bring the forehead down, or leave it as that. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. I prefer to use the properties page on the right hand side, but if you prefer doing it this way, you can just use it on the picture, just to edit it like that. And that's just a really quick and easy way of thinning someone's face or changing their facial features. So I'll give you an idea of the difference. That was before and that was after. Thanks for watching. Got any questions, put them in the comments.